All right, today I'm going to answer a very important question from one of our subscribers. Will solving a Rubik's Cube make you a better trader? Hey, welcome back to the Trade More YouTube channel. I'm 𝗕𝗎𝗲, published author, professional trader for 17 years, and in this video, I'm going to answer that question of will solving a Rubik's Cube make you a better trader? But before we dive into this, let's go solve the Rubik's Cube. All right, we're going to try to solve this cube. All right, everybody, we solved it. It only took me 47 years to do that. My son taught me how to do that. He's like an expert Rubik's Cuber. So the question is, will solving a Rubik's Cube make you a better trader? Okay, the answer, yes, it will. Yes, it will, all right? Here are 5 common things associated between solving a Rubik's Cube and becoming a great trader. Number 1, it's all about strategy. So solving a Rubik's Cube and trading both require a solid strategy, okay? With the Rubik's Cube, you just need to know which colors to match. With a trader, you need to know which stocks to buy and sell, aka match, to maximize profits. But watch out, everybody. One wrong move and everything goes sideways. Number 2, patience is a virtue. Solving a Rubik's Cube can take a lot of time and patience, but the same goes for trading. Sometimes you need to wait for the right opportunity to make your move, just as you need to be patient when trying to solve the Rubik's Cube. Remember this, yelling at the cube or yelling at your computer screen won't solve anything. So take a deep breath and don't lose your cool. Number 3, cube-like mindset. Solving a Rubik's Cube requires a certain type of mindset. You've got to be logical, you have to be analytical, and most important, you've got to be creative. Well, the same goes for trading. Traders need to be able to analyze the market, okay? They need to think logically, and they need to be creative and consider multiple options to make the best decisions to adapt to any market conditions. Number 4, celebrate small wins. Finally, just as you celebrate solving a single side of the Rubik's Cube, small win, it's important to celebrate your small wins in trading. Whether it's a profitable trade or a small improvement in your cube solving skills, take time to pat yourself on the back and enjoy the moment. All right, number 5. Breaking the cube. If you get really frustrated with the Rubik's Cube, you're going to be tempted to break it and just start over. But trading, you just can't smash your computer and start over fresh, although I know you want to. We've been there many times, including me. You got to deal with the consequences of your decision. So keep your cool, and may the trading gods always be in your favor. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor, guys. Smash that like button, all right? So YouTube can spread this video out to more people. Hey, and make sure you click right here for our next video in the playlist, Will Swimming with Sharks Make You a Better Trader? Thanks for watching.